In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a banner image in Google Sites. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a clean professional banner at the top of any page in your site and make it look great with your content. First, open your Google site and navigate to the page where you want the banner to appear. If your site has multiple pages, use the Pages panel to jump to the one you want to edit. The banner, also called the header, lives at the very top of the page, above your main content and section layouts. This is where your title or page name usually shows, so it's the perfect place to set the tone for your page. Next, move your mouse over the header area. You'll see controls appear on the header itself. Click Change Image. This tells Google Sites you want to replace the current header background with a new one. If your header is set to a different style, like a large banner or a cover, don't worry, the process is the same. You're simply switching the image that sits behind the header text. Now choose where your image will come from. You can upload a file from your computer or select an image from Google Photos, Google Drive, or the built-in gallery. Upload is ideal if you have a file ready on your desktop. Google Photos and Drive are great if you've already organized your images online. The gallery provides a curated set of images that are quick, safe, and sized to work well in headers. When choosing an image, aim for a high-resolution landscape-oriented photo so it stretches cleanly across the top of your page. A width of at least 1200 pixels is a good baseline for crisp results on modern screens. If there's important detail, keep it near the center so it remains visible on different screen sizes. Avoid images that are overly busy behind text, or the header title may be hard to read. After you select the image, Google Sites automatically applies it to the header and may add a subtle overlay to improve readability. If the result isn't quite right, simply hover again and click Change Image to try a different photo. You can swap images as many times as you like until you're happy with the look. A few quick tips. Use consistent imagery across pages to keep your site cohesive. Pick JPG or compressed PNG files to balance quality and load time, and only use images you have permission to use. That's it, your banner image is set. Thanks for watching and enjoy building a beautiful polished page in Google Sites.